All right, not a camera sideways. And there's and there's a roof tile hanging on that tree. Y'all see that? Look at that. All right. Dang. I wonder how they gonna get that off that tree. Who knows? All right. Yeah, them shingles coming off, you know. Well, some people evacuated, missing the action, you know. 3 hours straight, this storm been going on, you know. 3 hours straight. That door opening and closing. Yeah, gotta sneeze. Jesus, bless me. Mm. I just sneezed. Sorry, y'all. Yep. I can't believe I sneezed on camera. Ain't that something, y'all? I sneezed on camera. Thank God it ain't a category 5, you know. I I saw some fell down, but I don't know if the camera caught that. I don't know if the camera caught that. All right, over here we go. I'll step over here. All right. Uh-oh. Oh man, another one. I don't think the camera caught that. Golly. People's FEMA money is going through the roof. Huh? Golly, the FEMA money is going through the roof. All right. Whoa! I knew that was caught on camera. Good Lord. Relive the moment, y'all. Relive the moment. Hopefully my birthday party will go as planned. If not, oh well, shoot. They got people driving around. Yeah, I saw that shingle fell out. Wow.